Strategy Management Series. Video number 46, Strategy Formulation in Action, Step 2, Strategic Intent. Welcome back to the Ready MBA series on strategy management. In our previous videos, we introduced the 8-step framework used in the strategy formulation process. We also discussed the second step in the strategy formulation, strategic intent, and its significance, its main objective, and how organizations can effectively orchestrate it. In today's video, we will explore it a little further to understand why having a long-term vision and purpose is essential for successful strategy development. Let's follow the journey of Acme Manufacturing, a fictional company in the manufacturing industry, as they define their strategic intent, as part of their strategy formulation process. Acme Manufacturing, a leading player in manufacturing, recognizes the significance of establishing a clear long-term vision and purpose. Let's see how they approach it. Acme Manufacturing's leadership team, led by CEO Robert, gathers for a meeting to discuss and define their strategic intent for their strategy formulation process. They understand the importance of involving key stakeholders and considering external and internal factors. Robert shares his vision for the company's future. He envisions Acme Manufacturing as a global leader in sustainable manufacturing, delivering high-quality products while minimizing their environmental footprint. He believes their focus must be on innovation, operational excellence, and building strong customer partnerships. Allison, VP of Corporate Strategy, facilitates the meeting. She provided pre-reads to the leaders in advance, which included competitive intelligence reports, market trends, and performance analysis. She also invited key stakeholders, such as plant managers, the procurement director, and customer services senior director, to present their insights and experiences to the senior audience. In their presentations, they addressed the challenges and opportunities related to the CEO's vision. Additionally, an external consultant shares industry trends and benchmarks. The leadership team of Acme Manufacturing fosters an open and constructive dialogue, analyzing industry trends, challenges, and opportunities. They encourage team members to share ideas, challenge proposals, and consider the interests of shareholders and stakeholders. To avoid biases and groupthink, they rotate the role of devil's advocate, ensuring diverse perspectives are heard. During a discussion and brainstorming session, the leadership team identifies the key strategic issues for realizing the CEO's vision. Allison, her team, and the external consultant provide valuable input, evaluating the feasibility and relevance of proposals. They maintain a high-level focus and prevent premature detailed planning or implementation discussions. These strategic issues remain at a high level until further validation is conducted through internal and external analysis, in subsequent steps. Allison summarizes the discussion, capturing the main points and conclusions. Armed with these insights, Acme Manufacturing's leadership team formulates a strategic intent that encapsulates their future aspirations and desired impact. They define the proposed direction for the company's strategy formulation based on 3 pillars. The first is investment in R&D and product innovation to capture new opportunities in the marketplace. The second is to increase operational excellence by revamping some of their manufacturing processes. The third is a focus on partnerships and collaborations with the supply chain to develop sustainable manufacturing practices, and increase the use of eco-friendly inputs. After the leadership meeting, the strategic planning team formalizes the notes and communicates the strategic intent to the broader teams involved in the strategy formulation process. Strategic intent becomes a guiding principle for the next steps in strategy formulation. Having a long-term vision and purpose is essential for successful strategy development. It provides a clear direction and unifying purpose for the organization, guiding its actions and decisions. A well-defined strategic intent helps align stakeholders, motivates employees, and attracts customers who resonate with the company's values and aspirations. In the next stages of strategy formulation, Acme Manufacturing will validate their strategic intent against external and internal factors. Depending on findings, the strategic intent may be revised, appended, or even completely changed. It is important that the strategic direction of the company sets it up for success in the external, competitive environment, leveraging the company's strengths and competitive advantages. This iterative process allows them to gather additional insights, assess market dynamics, and evaluate their capabilities. It also ensures that Acme Manufacturing will consider any overlooked opportunities or potential challenges. Moreover, it enhances the feasibility and effectiveness of the strategic intent, increasing the company's chances of long-term success. And that concludes our journey with Acme Manufacturing as they define their strategic intent. By establishing a clear vision and purpose, Acme Manufacturing is well positioned to drive sustainable growth and make a positive impact in the manufacturing industry. Thank you for joining us. Join us next time as we delve into the subsequent steps of the strategy formulation process, starting with Step 3, External Analysis. See you later.